Hi everyone, my name's Ash. We've got Richard from Unox here today to show us some fantastic features on their Unox oven. I'll introduce you to him and we'll get him on camera. Welcome Richard, Sylvester Keel. So could you show us how to look after and maintain a Unox oven?
Well, thankfully, Ash, the Unox oven itself has its automatic self-cleaning system, which is called self-clean. To locate this, it's the icon in the corner. Once you highlight it, it gives you the option of various different wash cycles.
Fantastic. And when I go into these settings, how often should I actually be cleaning my oven?
With Sense Clean, it actually also detects, depending on what you've been cooking, which cycle you should use. So we've got this icon here and it's selecting a quick wash. So all you need to do is highlight the quick and press start, and then the oven does its cycle all by itself.
You've talked about the programs. How do we actually do it? How do we actually clean the oven?
Right, the easiest way to do it, so you know the Unox detergent and rinse aid, which is a mix in one litre container. So you've got a chemical drill that sits underneath the oven. So that slides out, you lift the lid. So with this bottle, it's got its own full membrane on top.
No leaking.
So you need to just turn it upside down, twist it until it breaks the seal, and then you'll see all the chemical run into the oven. So you never have to get into the oven, you don't have to use any protective equipment. Once it runs through, you can just discard the bottle as a plastic bottle as you normally would. Right now, the oven itself, we've done our cooking processes today, and it's telling us we need to do a short wash with this icon which is highlighted. So all we need to do is highlight the icon, so we selected short wash and press start. The oven's actually hot from where we was cooking before, so it's just going to cool down and then the cleaning cycle will start.
So that's the basics of looking after and maintaining your Unox combi oven. If you'd like to get hold of some of the chemicals, or you'd like any more help or support in maintaining your oven, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Hope to hear from you soon.